Brugherio e Matteo di Rise Against Hunger Italia. Oggi qui ho l'onore di essere ospitato da Higher Europe. L'azienda ha allestito un'iniziativa veramente stupenda. Abbiamo creato 600 kit alimentari che verranno utili per tutte le famiglie in difficoltà nel territorio milanese.
It was an amazing day today. We renovated our partnership also this year with Rise Against Hunger. We actually helped to pack over 600 meal kits for families in need that will be distributed in the Milan area. I saw a lot of passion, a lot of energy, a lot of commitment from our people, from our volunteers.
The chance to help a lot of families and contribute actively to the community.
It was amazing, great teamwork.
Can't wait to do it again.
Thank you, Rise Against Hunger.